In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new page in Tally. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your form here. So as you can see, I have a form built out. It has 4 questions, but it's going to do for now. Now, if I go to preview top right, you can see that all of them now are on one page, and there's actually only one page to this form, okay? So if I click on submit, that's actually done whenever I've selected all the options, okay? So that's, of course, fixable by adding new pages. Now, you can do that by going anywhere where you want to add a new page. For example, let's say I want to add a new page just below this question over here. What you want to do is go to the bottom of that question, and of course you want to click in the, of course, very bottom block you're using, click on the plus button to insert, and then you want to type in page up top, and then click on new page, click on insert, and there we go. It's going to insert a new page like this, okay? So you can change the name of it if you want to as well. So for example, second page like this. I'm going to click apply. There we go. And if I go to preview right now, you can now see, there we go, I have 2 pages, okay? So that's actually very convenient. Of course, you can add as many as you want, and the second way to do that is simply just type in, for example, /page over here, and click on new page, and that's going to add a new page as well. Now, if that's at the very end, you can also add a thank you page. So if you type in /thank, you have a thank you page as well. You can enable this, and you can type in, for example, thanks or whatever you want. And if I go to preview, I can now go and, of course, just kind of check mark these. Second page, there we go, submit, and there we go. This is our end thank you page, okay? So that's how to add new pages in Tally. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.